How to fix Valorant Stack on PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And then the next thing that we need to do on the search bar is to just search for Valorant. Once you do that, just click open file location right here. And then once you're now here, just right click on it and then click properties. Once you click properties right here, go here on the compatibility. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to check run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And then also make sure to turn disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as an administrator. Once you do that, just click apply and then click OK. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here again on the search bar and then search for services. Once you do that, click open. And then in this part, just scroll down and then look for the name VGC. So just look for the VGC right here, which is this one. So what we're going to do here is to just right click on it, go here on the properties, and then in this part, if you can change the startup type from manual to automatic, then make sure that you do that. So make sure that you change this into automatic, and then once you do that, just click apply and then OK. Once you do that, all you have to do is to restart your device or your PC or laptop, try to open your Valorant, and then that should be it. That is how to fix Valorant Stuck on loading screen.